Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Miss Chalice. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the right side of the head. Let's start with a curved line down, out, and back in like this. Now before drawing the rest of the head, let's draw the face, starting with the eyes. Along the side of the face, let's draw a C-shaped curve. Then inside on the top left, let's draw a curve down, a V shape in, and then another curve. And then let's color that pupil in black. Next, up on the left, let's draw the other eye with a large oval. And again, let's draw the pupil inside in the same way. And color this one in black as well. And lastly, for this eye, let's add 3 eyelashes outside on the top left. Next, let's move down and add the nose with an oval. And now let's add the mouth. Underneath the left eye, let's start with a small curve here. And then underneath, let's curve it down under the nose. And then one more curve underneath to close it off. Now let's move inside and add the tongue with 2 curves. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And lastly, for the face, let's add a small oval above the mouth on the left here. Next, let's finish drawing the shape of the head now. From the top, let's draw a curve up and to the left like this. Then an S-shaped curve down and in. And then a curve at the bottom to close off the head. Next, inside at the top, let's draw a border with a curve across. Now let's add the details to the head. On the right side here, next to the eye, let's draw a curve. Now let's hop to the left and draw the handle. Start on the top left, and we're going to draw a swirl around like this. Now let's continue that up and back down like this. And then for the inside, let's start next to the swirl at the top, and we're going to draw a curve down, around, stopping here. Next, let's erase any of the overlapping lines inside. And when you're done erasing, you should end up with a handle like this. And lastly, for the head, let's add the straw on top. Let's draw 2 lines on the top left, and then a curve at the end to close it off. And now let's add 3 curves inside for the stripes. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start by drawing the left arm. Underneath the head on the left, let's draw a curve down and then back in. And the same thing underneath, but we're going to leave a small gap like this. Now let's connect the lines at the bottom with the curve. Next, let's add the hand. Let's draw an oval shape around the arm like this. Then underneath on the left, a curve down. And then from the right side, a curve all the way down and back up like this. And then let's add 3 curved lines inside. Next, let's add the torso. Underneath the head on the left where we left the gap, let's draw a curve down to the hand like this. Now let's hop under the right side of the head and we're going to draw a curve down towards the hand on an angle. And now let's add her skirt. On the right, let's draw a bent curve. Now from the right side, a curve out. And then a curve below it. One more to the left and back up to the hand. Now let's move over and draw the right arm and hand. On the right side of the head, let's draw 2 angles out. And then a curve at the end. Now at the end, let's add an oval around like this. Now let's draw the hand. On the top, let's draw a small curve up. The thumb up like this and back down. Then another small curve over. And then the index finger pointing out and back in. Next, let's draw the 2 fingers underneath. Let's draw the first one with a large curve underneath. And then a loop around for the second finger. And then close off the hand at the bottom with another curve. And lastly, let's add 1 curve inside on the palm. Now let's move down and add the legs. Underneath on the left side, let's draw 2 angled lines down. And then the same thing for the right leg, also angled down to the left. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve outwards on both sides. And then 1 more large curve out for the shoe. And that's it for Miss Chalice. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!